Today I bring you the 35mm from the Soul series. Soul Hard 35mm. Again, looks like 3 pins. As we learned, the other one had at least spools, the 30mm. So let's see what the 35 has to offer. All brass again. It's pretty neat. I like the brass. Let's try the key. It does work. So let's get a pick in here and try to pick it. Well, I don't know what to say. What the fuck? Let's do one for the record. On the speed picking record. But actually the first one was with key use, so I take the first one for the record. That was the Soul 35mm, even easier than the 30. I'm getting a little disappointed right now. Thanks for watching, see you next time, bye bye.